Hey everybody, this is Dimitri Pergamonic with MarketChameleon.com. I wanted to share a scan with you using the option block trade screener. The option block trade screener is a list of large option block trades trading throughout the day, currently over 36,800. And typically traders will use the screener to either generate trade ideas or look for insights into what's trading in the marketplace. The demonstration today we're going to try to scan for an unusual trade quantity or trade size. So I'll take this first one as an example. In QQQ, this is a block trade of 1,292. When we open up and look at the average daily volume, on an average daily volume, it trades 734,257 contracts, which now makes this trade not as interesting. So what we want to do is filter out the trade quantity relative to its average daily volume to see if there's anything unusual happening today in the marketplace. And I'm going to only look for single A option trades, either call or put. And let's take a look at something extreme for a trade quantity that's over 200% of its average daily volume. And over here, we could see now we went from 37,000 items to only 42 items. And let's just take a quick look at the results here. I'm going to sort this by quantity as a percentage of average daily volume from highs to lows. So now we could see this trade was 1,300% of its average daily volume. This one's 862%, and so on. And let's just scroll over here and take a look at let's take a look at this one in MDRX. Traded 3,000 contracts, and its average daily volume is only 371. So you could see that's much more significant than it's typically trades on a day, and it's actually an interesting trade. As you can see, the spot price right now is $10, and somebody traded a call on the 13 strike, which is 30% away. But the idea here is now you narrowed it down to a much less data set to analyze further. And think of it this way: if somebody bought 10 million shares of a stock, and on an average day it only trades 1 million shares, well, that's a very large inventory that would be very hard to unload or reduce the risk of. And that's the idea of this scan. Thanks for everybody for watching, and see you next time.